Hello, hello, the franchise is back. Today is a transformation of the seats of our old car, Cocotte, a Land Rover Series 3 from 1979. But before that, who we are. Wow, so a beautiful sound. Hear that? Motor V8. Yes.
The witch, the rider, the angel. Artist. Nomad. Family.
La famille en balade.
Maman aussi, c'est joli.
Mamie,
Yeah.
look at that.
The beast. Quite naked, by the way. This time we had still a tent and kind of a tarp. We were in teepee. Wow. And that's the original set. So it's kind of semi-queer with a middle box. I don't like it at all. Black. And the back seat. Yeah, it wasn't so bad, but a bit grey for me. So sketch of the thinking, the ideas of the material. Well, we have to wash it. The tiger. So seats had to be removed, and the box, working with the box. I work with a friend, an artist who's working with wood. She helped me a lot. I'm in her atelier. That's her atelier. And here they are, finished. Yes, they're really good. I love what they have done. And here, it's the way of doing new hole to put back easier the seat. Because really it wasn't easy to put it away, and we decided to, with the help of Anna, the mechaniker, I don't know. So she's doing her fitness, as you can see. So fitness center by Land Rover. Fitnessgerät. Du bist in mir. Oh, nicht der Kopf. Die Hände. So why to change the seat? Well, it's quite easy, by the way, because the one I had before, this kind of plastic leather, is just, well, you just burn your ass in the summer and freeze it in the winter. That's it. And it's this black stuff. I didn't like it too much. Prefer to have color. So why army blanket? I like this material. they're really stable. I like the color, this red with white crust on it. I just love it. And as you can see, they took really the original shape of the old seats. They have done really like original, because in Land Rover you got this stuff, you can put it away. Because there is some stuff underneath, and yeah, they have done a really good job. I'm really happy. Obviously, fantastic. They are just fantastic. Thank you very much, and you helped me on this transformation. And here they are, back in the car with a box in the middle. Looks really great. The red back seats. So it's not for the moment in a car because it's modular, and I'm doing the further transformations. Why in leather? This beige line, I really love it. And when I say they have done, I mean, I had the ideas, but I work with two friends of me, old friends, and they're doing really wonderful things. They're really good tapissier. I mean, they know the job, and I couldn't do it. It's not. I even don't have the material for that. So I put my ideas. I speak with them, and they say, "Well, why not? We do it." And I let also a place for them to do their ideas, because I think it's important. Not for me, there was much more this kind of helping each other. I bring what I think about, and they bring their universe. So I really like it. And this beige line, I thought about it, but I was thinking, oh, maybe it's too complicated and so on. They just have done it. So it's so great. And in a way, why this satin leather, for me, it's kind of to do this balance. Like you have a chic leather back seat in your car, and it's a really simple car, like a Land Rover. He's slow, but he's going everywhere. And I like this ambivalence. And yes, when you like something, you do the best with it. I think it's important, and that's a car of a family. It's kind of modular. Sometimes we live in there, and sometimes it's just the car to drive and to take some big stuff we need to take when we are going somewhere. That's it. Well, it's quite a short video because we didn't have a lot of material. We didn't film a lot, just have some photos. But we come back with other things because the transformation is going to continue. See you soon. Bye bye.